Are you still keeping your leads in notebooks, on sticky notes, and even on your WhatsApp chats? Now, that is probably the reason why opportunities are slipping through the cracks. What you basically need here is a system. And without a system, you are losing a lot of money that you could have made in sales. So in this video, we are going to look at customer relationship management. Welcome once again. This is day 23, and thank you so much for being with us these past few days on this particular challenge. This is the 30-day SME Growth Mastery Challenge. And if you have not yet downloaded the 30-day SME Growth Action Plan, make sure to do so. Link is in the description down below. Also, please do subscribe to the channel so that you are notified every time we bring these wonderful tips to help you scale your business. The reason why a lot of SMEs are not really growing is because they do not have a system to manage their contacts or to manage their leads. Now, a lot of big corporates you've seen, they invest in a good CRM. Now, this probably becomes one of the reasons why some SMEs give excuses that this CRM or that one is expensive. However, there are cheaper or free options that you can consider. And in this video, I'm going to help you look at some of the things that you need to do, just 3 steps that you need to put in place for you to have a well-managed lead system or a customer relationship management system. Before you do that, make sure please that you choose a tool. You can use all these other tools. I'm going to give you some of the tools that you can use for free right away as we progress in the video. But the main steps that you need to consider, first thing to do there is step number 1 is to capture all leads. Make sure that you've got a central system where you're capturing your leads and you're storing them. Your leads could have been coming from social media. Maybe you're giving a lead magnet and then you're capturing emails, or you've got leads coming from referrals and so forth, right? So make sure that you've got a central system where you record all these leads. And then the next thing that you must do in step number 2 is to track your lead. When you're tracking your leads, what you're basically doing here is to track their status. You can put labels on your leads such as new leads or contacted, a proposal sent or closed. This helps you as far as managing your communication with them and managing exactly how you need to package your offers when you deal with these particular leads. Sometimes this could be the game changer as far as not wasting time on leads that will not bring you the right kind of results that you're looking for from them. So every other interaction that you have with your leads must be recorded easily and clearly in that particular system, whether you've contacted them, whether you're waiting for a response from them, and so forth and so forth. Make sure that you label the status of each and every lead. And then the third thing then is a reminder. A good CRM will allow you to put reminders, or it will remind you if there is a follow-up that you need to do or you need to take with a specific lead. So whatever the system that you use, you must make sure that this is also incorporated in that particular tool to make sure that you remember each and every time when you're supposed to send communication or you're supposed to send a reminder and so forth. Okay, so without such a system, if you're writing on hands, sometimes maybe a paper could have been lost, whatever could have happened with your notebook or your sticky note. Someone thought it was not important, put it in the dustbin. Then you've lost a lead. But you can store your leads, you can put them on a cloud, you can put them on your PC, anywhere that is safe to make sure that you don't lose the contacts of your leads. Now, as I said earlier, there's no excuse for you not to have a good CRM. You could start right now with this day, which means today. Start by collecting all your leads and put them into that particular central place. Make sure that you have labels on them, and then choose a free system that you can use. There are free systems such as HubSpot, a CRM, you've got Zoho, CRM. And if you feel like maybe those are a little bit difficult to learn and how to use them and so forth, you can still use a simple Google Sheet. If you want, you can use a Excel as long as you have your list collected. You've got columns for names, a columns for contact details, and then a column also for the status of that particular lead. So you can practically use anything, and you can start doing that today. So this is your activity for today. As we start a new week, make sure that your leads are in one place. Make sure that you have tracked whatever communication you have had with them, and begin to run an effective and very simple CRM that will guarantee that you do not miss out on any deals, or your customers do not miss out on any communication that you have with the market. Okay, so this is day 23. Again, let me remind you to download the SME Growth Action Plan. Link is in the description down below. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much for watching day 23. We'll see you tomorrow, day 24. Meet you right here. Bye.